Hello viewers, I am Vasim from Italy. The general conception about the 313 Special Military Unit, Badri 313, is formed by the new Taliban, who are trying to form a new government after the American evacuation. But the fact is that this Badri 313 unit was formed in 2012 by Badruddin Haqqani, who was killed in an air strike. How they look like and how the world media is reporting about the Badri 313 special unit. I let you see a shape, a face of this special unit, wearing professional uniforms, military boots, balaclavas, tactical radios, body armor and tactical knee pads, carrying tactical rifles and traveling on armed vehicles. The 313 unit can be seen patrolling the streets of Kabul. All sign points to the group appropriating uniform provided to the Afghan forces by the US. According to the reports, the group is also much better trained than the average Taliban fighters, having received training or they have learned fighting by the experience. But this group has been specially trained. The general conception is that, and this is by the part of Taliban, the reality is that the unit named after the Battle of Badr 1,400 years ago, mentioned in the Quran, has been donning modern tactical equipments. The traits of this unit is including, since taking control of the Afghan capital, the Taliban, via various online propaganda channels, have intensified efforts to rebrand themselves as a legitimate political actor willing to engage the international community. But the recent years, photos and video of its new Badri 313 paramilitary unit doing the rounds of the social media suggest that hardline Islamist group also intends to tell the world that it has transformed from a ragtag group of shepherds and farmers into a professional, well-equipped military forces. The unit reportedly named after the battle Badri 1,400 years ago mentioned the Quran, in which the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, is believed to have overcome an enemy of force with just 303 men, has been donning modern tactical equipment, wearing professional uniform, military boots, balaclavas, tactical radios, body arms, and tactical knee pads, carrying tactical rifles and traveling in the armored vehicles. The 313 unit can be seen patrolling the streets of Kabul in the images and the videos shared online. A particular concern of the defense experts is the employment of the night vision goggles, suggesting that the force may now be capable of resisting attacks at night or carrying them out themselves. This is actually the case of this newly formed unit, but as I have already explained, that this expression is not correct, that the new Taliban have formed this new militia with have been taken after the evacuation of the Americans, but this is actually the fact that this has been trained in a special way to aggression around the Afghanistan, and then to keep and bring peace to the country. As the Taliban are going to form a new government, this unit especially is now taking control almost all the Kabul, and but gradually Taliban has planned to bring this unit and to expand this unit. Next video, care and goodbye.